Hi guys, another day where I'm cooking for myself, so another cooking Grandad style video. Today we're going to have a large Cornish pasty from Ginsters. Should be within my capability. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade or fan oven 160. This is a fan oven. Place in the oven on a baking tray. Bake chilled 25 to 30 minutes. Bake frozen 35 to 40. Well, this one's chilled. So 30 minutes at 160. Turn that on, 160. There's our pasty. On there. In there. $30. Oh, 30. And I have some beans with it. And this is one of those tins that it's got a pull tab on it. Now, to be honest, I could eat a full tin of that myself. But I'll pretend to be a little bit more civilised and just have half of it. If we can get half out. Now, Nanny bought some new wooden spoons the other day. Bamboo. There's a lot of liquid in there. A lot of liquid. Can you see that? Tip some of that liquid back. Right, no point in turning that on yet though, because that doesn't take 30 minutes. So we'll stop now and we'll come back with about 10 minutes to go. Probably don't even need 10 minutes to heat that up, but yeah. So we'll stop now and come back later. I'll put a top on that and pop it back in the fridge for now. That'll be tomorrow then. Back again. 4 minutes left, it says on the timer. That should be plenty of time to heat up the beans. Put the light on, I think. Being as it's only half a tin of beans, that shouldn't take long. When we bought this house, the kitchen was quite different. We spent a good bit of money having the kitchen done the way we want it, but that was 10 years ago now. The cooker that was there, didn't notice when we actually bought the house that all the knobs were missing off the front. And they had dogs, and the dogs had chewed all the knobs off. Not that it mattered, because we were changing the kitchen out anyway, but just those little things you don't notice when you're starry-eyed, found the house you want and you want to buy it. After that you find all the things that are wrong with it. If you've been watching these videos lately, I don't do Grandad's or cooking Grandad style videos very often. I did them just as a joke a long time ago. And people asked for more of them for some reason. But I've started doing the mukbang video where you actually see me eating what I've cooked. So if you check the video description, you'll probably find there's a link to the mukbang video where I have a little chat afterwards. I don't intend to keep doing them, it's just while my wife's on holiday and I'm doing my own cooking and it's peaceful in the house, I can spend a bit of time talking to you. Right, they're plenty hot enough now. Remember, that's only half a tin of beans in there, so that's heating up pretty quickly. Let's bring that down. I wonder how many comments there'll be about Blazing Saddles or similar amusing films. That last minute's taken a long time to go by. Ah, there we are. Right, so that should be ready. Turn them off. I'll be able to tell my wife that her new bamboo spoon worked. Right, that's it. Cooking Grandad style Cornish pasty with beans. And if you want to see me eat it, depending on which video you're currently watching, the mukbang version's on my other channel. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.